This training video is for UMH. It's intended for whoever's at level 5 and they can pull reports within their building and different classifications for a time frame. So you're going to log into Perspective. This is your main screen. When you log into Perspective, you're going to go to Analyze and Report on the bottom left. First time you click on it, once you open Perspective, it takes a while to boot up. Mine was already there, that's why the next window came out kind of quickly. For those reports, I've named it UMH reports. So you may have it under miscellaneous queries or this other one. You may have a third one. But if you go to the miscellaneous, you should see a UMH reports that I have shared with the 2 users over there at UMH. You're going to click on edit on top. Just give you a little warning that this is shared by other users. Click yes. You're going to click on edit. Once you click on edit, you're going to get this window, and basically you're going to change the dates. So for now, I'm going to do a search for October 1st through November 30th, and I'm going to search for all 922s. What you want to do, in case you got to change the date, you're going to click all the way up to the right. You're going to see the little calendar, and you can adjust your dates. For now, this is the report we're going to pull. The only thing you got to do now is click on execute. You're going to wait for a little bit. It's doing its search. Once you get the search, these are the results you get. You have 32 records. That does not mean that it's 32 incidents. It just means that it's 32 records. So from here, as you can see here, you have 2 incidents that are the same number. The reason why there's 2 incidents is because there's 2 narratives to each, at least 2 narratives to each incident. One by the dispatcher and one by the writing officer. You may have to delete the one of the dispatcher if you don't want. You may want to keep it for more information. But out of this window, what you're going to do is click on export. You're going to name it. So I'm just going to name it UMH for now. You can name it whatever you want. You got to know what folder you're going to put it on, your desktop. For now, I'm going to put it on my scans folder and save. And it's going to give you a little message saying that it succeeded. Click OK. You can X out of this if you want. I'm going to leave it open so I can show you some other information. So I'm going to open up my UMH spreadsheet now. When you first open it, it gives you this error. It's not really an error, it's just information. You're going to click on yes so that it'll open. And these are all your reports. The first thing that I would do is click on the little triangle right here in the top left. Go to A through Z, sort. And then what it does is rearranges everything from the oldest date to the newest date. And then you can do your searches or do your sorting however you want. So this should be all the 922s that happen at UMH within that same time frame. I'm going to do a quick second one just so I can show you how to do a different query for a different classification. If you want to X out of it, you want to save it because whatever changes you made, you want them to save. I'm going to X out of this. I'm going to go back to my miscellaneous. It's UMH reports. If you have quite a few of them, you're just going to have to remember the name or the last time you ran it or created by it. That way you can go and make sure that you're using the proper one. Again, it's UMH reports. I'm going to click on edit. It's going to give me that little warning that other users are using this. I'm going to click yes, edit. So just to show you a little bit, this is searching UMH East, UMH South, UMH West, Braddock 1, Braddock 2, Garage, and West Parking Lot. So I'm going to change it from a 922. I'm going to change it to this time 946. reports. There's the 946. Click OK. So now October through November, 946 reports in all these buildings. I'm going to click on save, then execute. And here's my reports. Again, these are 946s for all those buildings within that time frame. Now you're going to click on export. You can name it UMH 946, and you can put the time frame. It's really up to you how you name it. Again, I'm going to save it to my scans folder. You can choose to your desktop or a specific folder that you have on your computer. So once you click that, then you're going to have that it succeeded. OK again. I'm going to open up my folder that I just saved, that file that I just saved. It's going to give me the same message right here. Do you want to open it anyway? Yes. And here's the 946s within that time frame. And basically, as you can see, the site roll-up is UMH East. You have some in South, West Wing, and these are all the 946s that you have. Again, you may want to click on that triangle, sort by, and this will give you the sort from oldest to the newest. You may want to do it the other way around. Whichever way you choose, you just want to make sure that you save it. You want to continue using the same format? Yes. And now you can X out of it. And this has been a training on how to get reports for UMH within a certain time frame. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at pcarrasco@miami.edu, or you can call me and I can try to help you out.